Have you ever wondered why your skin doesn't absorb the water when you swim? Or why your stomach doesn't digest itself? The answer lies in the magical world of epithelium. Epithelium, the thin layer of tissue that forms your body's outer layer and lines your internal organs, serves as the ultimate protector. But how does it do that? Let's dive into the microscopic world of this fascinating tissue. Firstly, we need to understand the basic definition of epithelium. Epithelium is one of the 4 primary types of tissues in the body, along with connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. Think of epithelium as the body's wallpaper. It covers every surface, inside and out, creating a barrier between the body and the outside world. But epithelium isn't just one type of tissue. It comes in various shapes and sizes, each with a specific function. There are 3 main types: squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. Squamous epithelium, the thinnest, provides a smooth, low-friction surface. Cuboidal epithelium, shaped like little cubes, provides structure and sometimes secretes substances. Columnar epithelium, tall and narrow, absorbs nutrients or secretes mucus. Epithelium also organizes into simple or stratified layers. Simple epithelium has one cell layer, while stratified epithelium, like the skin, has multiple layers to provide extra protection. Now, let's talk about the functions of epithelium. Its primary role is protection. It forms a barrier that keeps harmful microbes and chemicals out, and it also prevents loss of water and nutrients. But that's not all. Epithelium also absorbs nutrients in the gut, filters blood in the kidneys, and secretes hormones in glands. So epithelium is a multitasker. It protects, absorbs, secretes, and even has a sensory function. It can detect changes in the environment and send signals to the nervous system. To sum up, epithelium is a versatile tissue that lines all our body surfaces, both inside and out. Its main types are squamous, cuboidal, and columnar, and it organizes into simple or stratified layers. Epithelium's key functions are protection, absorption, secretion, and sensation. So next time when you take a dip in the pool or enjoy a meal, remember the unsung hero, the epithelium. It's the ultimate guardian, working tirelessly to keep you safe and healthy.